and we're back with another video today, and we had something extra special. We are in the resort in Mexico, and look what we just now found. Hey, you can't see it. Oh, there it is. That looks like an aardvark, whatever it's called. But that is super cool. We just now got here like an hour ago. We are in Mexico at the resort. That is so cool. These things eat ants, I'm pretty sure. Hey, can't see them. Hold on, let me go outside of where we're staying. I told you in that shout out we would be going to ow. Pull. Hey. Pull. Hold on. It's so oh, here it is. Water. Okay. Where is it? Can't see it. Let me go over here. There it is. Hey, somebody's about to see it. Did he see it? No way. That is so crazy. We're about to go out and to a place, and then I go outside. Wait, hold on. There it is. That is crazy. Took so long to get here. Tell me what that is in the comments. We think it's an aardvark. We thought it was a monkey at first. Wait, is he going? Where'd it go? He's about to sneak up on this person. Yeah, it's super beautiful. Where did it go? But yeah, that's basically what we're staying in. It's super nice inside. I may have to go tour, but stay tuned. Keep on watching. Thank you and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and comment in my videos because I'm surprised